Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Jish and today we're going to be talking about air filters. So, today's video we're going to be focusing on these filters right here, DJI high performance air filters. Before we get this video rolled out, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope you're having a great holiday and please subscribe as well. And thank you very much to all the patrons, old and new. We've got 2 new patrons this week. Chad, thank you very much for joining us, and SO9 Engineering, welcome to have you aboard. Now these guys get early access to my videos. They also see behind the scenes before anyone else. So if you're interested in that, link down below. Please support and it helps this channel grow. So now we've got all that out of the way, we can talk about air filters. Specifically these DJI air filters. Now if you're in the custom bike scene, you know DJI are high up there. So if you're building a custom bike of your own and you're going down the option of looking for air filters for your bike, check these guys out. These are some real nice high quality filters that aren't going to break the bank. They have all sorts of options, colours, everything that you name it. And I'm going to show you the ones I went with for my bike, for my build. So I'm super excited about this because they're going to look so good on the engine and just really tie in all the elements I want on this build. So let's chat and let's get these unboxed. Now, these are the leather top in grey, just because they're going to suit the style and finish of the bike I'm going for. They're a really subtle look, but also have a very striking shape. Like, you know, most filters have like either a round or kind of oval shape, but these have a kind of, I wouldn't know what you call it, almost like a diamond shape, but you can just tell straight out the box that they are a really nice, high quality filter, and there's no cheapness about them. Even the part where you clamp it's all molded in one piece, unlike cheaper air filters that you might find on eBay. For example, this right here, this is an old filter I bought for the CB125 build, and again, it's just a couple of quid off eBay, but you can just see what I mean when I say it's cheap, one piece. That's not going to seal properly. Whereas this is a whole solid piece, nowhere for the air to come in other than the filter itself. And that's obviously very important for performance. I cannot wait to get these fitted. So what we're going to do now, we're going to get the carbs fitted back on the engine, and then we can get these filters fitted as well and just see how it all looks and kind of ties in together. Ooh yeah, these are the parts that I enjoy the most. So we've got them on. A little bit of fiddling and we got there. I think it's just down to I had brand new boots and they were just a little bit on the stiff side. So pulling them into the engine was a bit difficult. But we got there, they're all on and nice and tight, everything's tightened up. And the crackle black tops, they just look amazing. Really sets it off and just looks a little bit special. What we're here for anyway is the filters. I just want to get the filters on and see how they look on this engine. I am fully aware that I'm probably going to have to take these off when I install the engine into the bike, but we'll look at that when we get there. But for now, let's get these filters on and see how they look against this engine. I personally cannot wait. They look amazing, they look so cool. I just want to say thank you again to DNA Filters for sending me these out. They are awesome. They just fit the style of the bike and what I had in mind. I'll leave all the information down below if you want to check them out yourself. DNA Filters. There's aluminium tops, there's rubber tops, and there's these leather tops as well in various colours. So basically there's choice for everyone. Whatever you're building, there's going to be a filter that suits your bike. Thank you very much for watching. I have some other products I would like to share with you. I've got some other products I'd like to share with you very soon. I've got some really cool indicators on the way, so watch out for that video. We're going to get this engine put in very soon. Oh God, the bike is slowly coming together. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I shall see you in the next video.